Hi, my name is Nihkin. I have a background in finance and business analytics, and I have completed my master's in business analytics from Aston University. After graduation, I was eager to start a career in data analytics, but it was quite challenging to find the right opportunity in the UK. That's when I come across Fortray Global Services, and honestly, that's where my success journey began. Currently, I'm working as a data analyst in a company named Yoda. So that's where I've been involved in projects using Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI, helping my company with my skills to upgrade. Fortune not only helped me upskill technically, but also marketed my profile professionally to the right employers. The team guided me through mock interviews, shared real time interviews scenarios, and found my CV and LinkedIn profile, of which all help me to stand out and feel confident during real interviews. The recruitment make an entire job search much more thorough. At first, I struggled with interview preparation and adapting to the UK job market, but for mentors gave me constant guidance and support. They helped me stay motivated and overcome every challenge in this difficult time. I would definitely recommend Fortray to anyone looking to build a career in IT or data analytics. There are a company they don't just train you, they truly help you succeed.